Welcome to Lesson 4 of Term 2 Technology Grade 7 on the impact of structures on society and the environment. Hey Tech Masters, my name is Tech Robo, and today we are going to have so much fun in learning all about structures and their impact on society and the environment. So don't worry about a thing because I'm here to help you along the way. Cell phone towers enable us to communicate with people across the world. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some are even situated on the buildings that we live in. People have lots of opinions on the effects of these towers on society and the environment. And in this lesson, we shall look at the impact that structures like these have on society and the environment. Let's investigate design issues. It would be a disaster if a structure were to collapse because of poor design or because it was built using the wrong materials. Look at this diagram of a cell phone tower. You can see that the tower is made up of several types of elements or members, and it's important that these elements are carefully designed and work together to create a stable functional structure. When designing a structure, engineers carefully examine the different parts or members of the structure. They also analyze the functions of the parts to ensure that each part does the correct job. As you can see in this diagram of the cell phone tower, there are various structures elements: the struts, the ties, the guys, the beams, and the columns. Each of these elements has a unique function within the overall structure. Let's look at reinforcing techniques. Many of the structural elements are designed to reinforce the overall structure. As you can see in the diagram of the cell phone tower, struts are used to triangulate the sections and provide reinforcements. The horizontal base also helps to reinforce the structure. Now on to design issues. A structure is designed for a specific purpose. However, when you design a structure, you also need to consider the following issues. Visual pollution. Visual pollution is a term given to unattractive visual elements such as too many poles or wires or too many cell phone towers situated in one area. It's important to avoid visual pollution as much as possible. Stability. Structures should be stable and shouldn't fall over when used. In the diagram of the cell phone tower on the previous page, you can see that anchor ropes, guys, are used to improve the structure's stability. Base size. A stable structure must have a firm base that will prevent it from falling over. Look at the diagram of the cell phone tower. You can see that the base has been made bigger by supporting struts. A bigger base helps to hold the weight of the whole structure. And finally, center of gravity. Gravity pulls everything towards the earth. The cell phone tower shown in the diagram will not fall over because the different members balance the tension and compression force. Figures 2 and 3 show visual pollution and how cell phone tower can be made with concrete foundations.